From dusk to dawn, they bear the torch of healing with unwavering dedication. They rise daily to face the challenges in a world where patient well-being is at stake. They are the protectors of health, healers of bodies, and curers of minds. They are the fearless warriors fighting on the front lines to save our lives. They stand as guardians of new life, welcoming them with utmost care. They are the seekers of knowledge, constantly pushing the boundaries of medical science. Let us recognize and salute these extraordinary individuals who selflessly serve our society. This Doctors' Day, we want to thank our unsung heroes and human gods by recognizing their dedication towards our well-being. Happy Doctors' Day.